Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 18th. Yes, the last Sudoku is a 4 stars tectonic. Let me position the camera. Yes, and this will be number 1904. Alright, so let's get started. And I'm looking for the single box. I don't see any single boxes here, only a dual box, the 1 and a 2. Let me mark those boxes. I see here a 4, so those 3 boxes surrounding 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. We have a 4 here, that means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Those 3 boxes surrounding 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those, 1 and a 5. Then suppose this is a 2, that means those 3 boxes cannot be a 2, but I can also not place a 2 here because we have a 2 there, so it's not a solution that I place a 2 here, so the other option is the 1. We have a 1 here, that means those 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this dual box should be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, so we have a 4 and a 5 left. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a 5 here, that means those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 3 cannot be a 3, the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 should be there. Alright. Then this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 3. This box cannot be a 4, that box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or there. This box can be a 5, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 3, so it's a 1 or 2. 1 or 2. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be in one of those 3 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 4, so and this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be there and here.
Ik kom zo terug. Ik geef hem even eentje, want hij heeft nog niet gegeven.
Oh, oké.
Rotterdam rijden.
Oh. 3, 4. Let me think. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So eliminate this 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so those two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. Because if it's a 5, those 3 boxes cannot be a 5. But also this box cannot be a 5. I need a 5 in one of those 4 boxes. So the 5 cannot be here. So the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Alright. That means, let me think. We have a 5 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Those 2 boxes, 4, 5. Let me think. Tough one. 2, 3. I'm thinking. This box is gonna be a 4. Alright. 1. This box should be 1 or 5 because it can be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. So it is 1 or 5. 3. 3. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, and the 2 is left for this box. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so that means these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. 2. Alright. We have a 5 here, that means those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Yeah. 2, 4, 1 is missing, and 2, 4, 5, and 1, yes. Alright. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 2 and 1. The other 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. That means we have a 5 now, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. 1 box left for the 5 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, that means those 3 boxes surround the 5.
Mag je een videootje maken van de les voor zijn dochtertje?
Ja.
Oké.
Ja, die wil daar niet maken.
Ja, hij wil even een videootje.
Ja,
Ja, kan. Je mag, ja.
those 3 boxes surrounding 5 cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Now 1 box left for the 3 should be here. So 1 box left should be a 1. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 1. This box cannot be a 5 anymore, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 2 and the 1 are left. 2 and a 1. Let me mark those. Here the 3 and the 1 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 and a 1. That means this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so definitely a 4 here. Alright. 1, 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That means 2, 5, 4, 3 or 1. This box should be 1 or 3. Can it be a 2? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? 2 or 1. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. I will eliminate this 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. That means those 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. This quarter box needs a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So eliminate this 2, so the 2 should be there. Alright. 1. 2, 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 4, otherwise those 3 boxes cannot be a 4, but also this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 should be here. Yes. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes here. So the 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. 1 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be 1 or 5. Cannot be a 3. So 2 or 4. This box 2 or 4. 5. So this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or 5 and 3. So 2 or 4, this box. We need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me see. The 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So this box should be the 4. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means that this box can be a 1. So the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. that means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, that means those 3 boxes, 1 and 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 2, 4, and the 1 are left. 2, 4, yes. 4, 5, 2, 4. This box, yeah, 1 or 2, 4, 5. 1.
Heb je genoeg gegeten?
Ja. 3, 4, 2. Difficult. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 2. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2. So this box should be a 1. That means those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes and there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Alright. Almost finished. Let me see. 2, 4, the 3.
En soms, heel soms zijn die zaterdag.
I think this box should be a 3. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. So 1 box left for the 4. Now we have a 3 here, so this is going to be a 3 in the middle. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. 1, 5. 1, 5, 1. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes.
Ben jij een vroege voorkant?
Om 4:30 heb ik bijvoorbeeld.
This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. So the 3 and the 4. No, this 4 is. We have already a 4. 3 and a 2. 3 and a 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 4 and the 1 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this is gonna be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this is gonna be a 1, and this should be the 1. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.